Today we're talking about something that plays a huge role in your overall health and wellness. Why a healthy and timely lunch is essential for your energy levels, weight management, and metabolism. If you've been feeling tired after lunch or struggling with healthy eating habits, this video will help you. You'll understand the science behind a balanced lunch and how it impacts your fitness goals, digestion, and mental clarity. Make sure to watch till the end for easy, nutritious meal ideas that fit into your healthy lifestyle. 1. Why lunch is essential for your health. A healthy lunch plays a key role in maintaining energy levels, weight loss, and blood sugar balance. Many people either skip lunch due to busy schedules or eat highly processed meals. This can lead to weight gain, sluggish metabolism, and poor digestion. Research shows that eating a well-balanced lunch supports metabolic health, regulates glucose levels, and reduces sugar cravings. Skipping lunch forces your body to rely on stored energy, which may slow down your fat-burning process. This can lead to midday energy crashes and reduced productivity. Your body requires essential nutrients like fiber, protein, and healthy fats throughout the day. These nutrients help maintain your gut health, immunity, and brain function. Eating lunch at the right time, between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m., helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and optimal calorie burning. A nutritious lunch isn't just about filling your stomach. It fuels your body for peak performance and enhances gut health. 2. The science behind a healthy lunch. Let's break down what happens in your body when you eat a healthy and balanced lunch. Effect on brain function. Your brain depends on nutrient-rich foods to maintain focus and productivity, and also helps in memory, learning ability, and mental clarity. Supports metabolism. A well-timed lunch keeps your metabolism active. This helps your body burn calories efficiently instead of storing excess fat. A steady metabolism is crucial for those looking to lose weight naturally. Prevents muscle loss. Your body continuously repairs and builds muscles. Skipping protein at lunch can lead to muscle breakdown, affecting your strength, endurance, and fitness progress. Regulates hunger hormones. A balanced lunch helps control ghrelin, the hunger hormone. This reduces cravings for junk food and late-night snacking, which can disrupt healthy weight management. Now that we understand the benefits of eating a healthy lunch, let's look at some nutritious meal ideas for a healthy lifestyle. 3. Healthy lunch ideas that you can implement. This is a quinoa and grilled chicken bowl with roasted vegetables and a light dressing. It's perfect for maintaining a healthy diet and boosting metabolism. Quinoa provides fiber and complex carbs for steady energy. Chicken delivers lean protein for muscle maintenance. Veggies add essential vitamins for immunity and digestion. Olive oil contains healthy fats for heart and brain health. This meal keeps you full for hours and prevents overeating. Next, we have a Mediterranean chickpea salad. It's rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Perfect for those following a vegan diet or plant-based nutrition plan. Chickpeas improve gut health and digestion. Cucumbers and tomatoes keep the body hydrated and support skin health. Feta cheese and olive oil provide calcium and heart-healthy fats. This meal is ideal for a light yet satisfying lunch that enhances gut health and energy levels. Whole grain wrap with avocado and turkey. For a quick and easy meal, try this whole grain wrap with lean turkey, avocado, and mixed greens. It's great for a high-protein diet. Whole wheat wrap provides fiber for digestion and weight control. Turkey is packed with lean protein to aid muscle recovery. Avocado delivers healthy fats for heart health and skin nourishment. This is a great grab-and-go option that won't weigh you down. Perfect for busy professionals and fitness enthusiasts. 4. Hydration and smart eating habits. Lunch isn't just about what you eat, it's also about healthy eating habits. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and helps in detoxification. Eat mindfully. Taking your time to chew food improves nutrient absorption and prevents bloating. Include a healthy side. A bowl of soup or fresh fruit can make your meal more balanced and nutritious. By including whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber, you can fuel your body properly, prevent cravings, and stay active all day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wellnest. For more nutrition, weight loss, and wellness tips, stay tuned. Remember, your journey to wellness starts here.